be followed by the investiture to be led by Dr. Alvida N. Fernandez, Vice President for Academic Affairs. To lead the conferment of the recent titles, we shall have Dr. Evelyn Abdeliana Magno, President.
Candidates for the Master of Arts in Teaching English. 21 candidates for the Master of Arts in Teaching Filipino. 31 candidates for the Master of Arts in World Economics. And 1 candidate for the Master of Arts in Teaching Guidance and Counseling. Now therefore, by virtue and authority vested in me as Dean of the Graduate School, I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements prescribed by the Commission of Higher Education and that of the Rizal Memorial Colleges Incorporated.
For the graduation for their investiture. Vice President for Academic Affairs, I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements according to the policies, standards, and guidelines prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education and the Rizal Memorial Colleges Incorporated. They are imbued with the attributes of mature Rizalians eras.
Of your team that you have satisfactorily complied with all the requirements needed for your respective degrees, I hereby confer upon this 1,039 graduates degrees, and certificates which they are individually entitled to, with all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. Graduates, you may now transfer your tassels from the left to the right. For and in behalf of Rizal Memorial Colleges Incorporated, may I extend to you individually our most sincere congratulations and best wishes for your continuing success. May God increase you with wisdom, share in His bounty, and grant you success, good health, and happiness. Congratulations.
Please be seated. We moved on to the distribution of diplomas, which will be given by Dr. Albert G. Musico, RMC Branches Director, Dr. Delia B. Aga, Graduate School Department Dean, Dr. Alminda M. Fernandez, Vice President for Academic Affairs.
Aranaido Agnes V.
Hamo Donovan C. Halad Nova C.
Binyas Ruth C. Benungo Malodi A.
Educational Management. Best Paper Presenter, Associate Caroline C., Master of Arts in Educational Management. Best Paper Presenter, Barbara Lois S., Master of Arts in Educational Management.
A remarkable individual who will address us today. Her insights and words will surely resonate with all of us as we embark on the next phase of our lives. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Angie D. Relianos, Benedictus, Master of Arts in Teaching English graduate, to deliver her message to her fellow graduates. A round of applause, please.
Dr. Seuss said, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. To our school president, Dr. Evelyn A. Magnog, explore. It might not be smooth. There are many obstacles and rough patches you might run against. There will be innumerable heartaches and breakdowns, but none of them will disappear. If you find yourself needing help in navigating your way, and there's no Waze or Google Maps to guide you, remember the people who helped shape who you are today. And it also won't hurt you to ask for help. So don't be afraid to do so. Because if you are afraid, you will not be about it. Second, understanding the importance of thankfulness will help you those small victories turn into significant ones. Being ungrateful will prevent you from ever reaching greatness. Recall that without 25 cents, there can be no 1,000. These days, a lot of individuals overlook saying thank you. Why? Due to their sense of entitlement. To my professors and mentors, my respect to you. Thank you so much for being part of this journey. Third, perseverance. Remember that education is not a competition. Our master's degree is not only for our promotions, because we are doing this because of our own development. We spend time thinking about what research study are we going to adopt. Do a lot of reading and research to answer our research questions. And then defend our study. We have sleepless nights, IMAX, and exhaustions. And these are our inspirations that brought us here today. Let us keep in mind that there are no delays or lateness in achieving our goal. Whether you have your master's at 20 or your master's in your 80s. The most important thing is that you win your way. I may have spent 9 years in college, but it's not true. I finished my master's
be in my mid-30s, but still I'm not late. Age is just a number, but our goals and aspirations are limitless. My fellow Masters of Batch 2023-2024, congratulations, Prodeo et Patria.
Thank you so much, Miss Angie T. Riolanos, for a very inspiring message.